I'm pretty sure you might have seen this DM button on your Instagram story page where you just swipe up to add gifs and other emojis, and you see that and you're like, what should I do now? Well, here are a few things how the DM button is going to help you to grow your personal brand or your business. To know, keep on watching. So firstly, let's say if you are a content creator and if you don't know what video should you post next, or maybe you are like, okay, I need to ask my audience, hey guys, what video should I post? Just tap on the DM button, type it over there, and then ask them, hey, what video should I post next? And they will just answer you. And in fact, when you put that DM button on your stories, you get a notification as this person replied to your badge, DM badge, and then you can open it and then see what are their comments on the particular thing. That can be one thing. Or let's say if you are selling something, let's say if you are selling this mirror and you are like, hey guys, I have this mirror, this is in stock for and this is in sale stock, whatever that is, there are 50 available, let me know if you want this. Just reply, just use the DM badge and just be like, just DM me using this feature and you will get the discount. And whoever sends you it, you just have to send the link to your website, and you are basically selling products through this DM badge. The next thing which you can do is, let's say if you are running polls, or like if you have a few other options, let's say you have 3 tops which you want to buy, or like you have 3 different video ideas which you want to post in the next few weeks or days. You can just create a video saying like, hey guys, I have these 3 things planned, but which one do you want to see the latest, like which one do you want to see right now, and DM me using the DM badge, and people can just DM you back. And this is also a really great way to interact with your audience on a daily basis or like a weekly basis. I'm not saying that you should do it like on a daily or like as frequently as you can, because it's important while building a personal brand. Try being socially active. So yeah, those are the things. You can even sell, you can ask people for your help, you can help them. So yeah, that was the Instagram new update. I hope you enjoyed this video. I do post a lot more Instagram marketing tips over here. You can check my videos out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I will link all of the videos which I have created regarding Instagram and monetization, all of them in the description down below, so make sure you check it out, and I will see you next time. Till then, bye.